This is my Klein Tools Electrician's pal, I think, or Electrician's friend. They call it the Electrician, the Powerline belt. So there's a couple of features I use this when I was actually doing air conditioning work. But this one has a really nice padded belt. The belt itself is on the outside, super adjustable. This one's the extra large. You can get them in a couple of different sizes. The Electrician's one comes with two pouches, two main pouches, and then the side pouch thing for a tape measure, or actually I think for a hammer. Then you've got the thing for tapes, which is handy. It's got all these different pockets for pliers, which I found great for air conditioning stuff. This side is more of like what you'd get in a framer's pouch. It's just a big overall pouch, but this is real handy. Now there's plenty of room on here if you're going to carry a drill or a couple of power tools to set them on here as well. Good strong clip. And I was going up and down ladders all day here in Arizona, working with all those air conditioning tools, and this one was the way to go. From Klein. They make the best stuff. Hope this helps.